Hello everyone! Ready to start your crochet journey? Welcome to the 3 Crochet channel. This tutorial is designed for right-handed beginners. If you're left-handed, don't worry. There's a link in the video description to the left-handed tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to match the right crochet hook with your yarn, how to hold the crochet hook and yarn, how to make the starting knot, called the slip knot, and how to crochet a chain. So, let's dive in. You'll need crochet yarn and a crochet hook. I recommend using a medium weight, untwisted yarn in a light color for better visibility of your work. The recommended sizes are usually indicated on the yarn label. For example, I'm using Alizé Maxi Batik yarn, and the label suggests a crochet hook between 5 and 7 millimeters. If you don't have the label, you can measure the yarn weight using the wraps per inch method. Here's how. Wrap the yarn around a large needle, a pencil, or a ruler. Make sure the yarn lies flat. Push the yarn together so there are no gaps between wraps. Smooth it out so it's neither too loose nor too tight. Use a ruler to count the number of wraps per inch. In my case, I have 12 wraps per inch, which means 12 wraps per 2.5 centimeters in the metric system. Then, use this chart to determine the yarn weight category and the recommended crochet hook size. You can find this information on the Craft Yarn Council website or download the chart from the link in the video description. In my case, the yarn weight is somewhere between 2 and 4, so the recommended crochet hook sizes are between 3.5 and 6.5 millimeters. For this type of yarn, I would probably choose a 5.5 millimeters crochet hook. There are 2 main ways to hold the crochet hook, like a knife or like a pencil. Try both techniques to see which one feels most comfortable for you. The way you hold the yarn in your non-dominant hand is crucial for adjusting yarn tension. There is no single correct method, as everyone has their own personal style. Here are 6 commonly used methods. Option 1. Wrap the yarn around your pinky, from the inside to the outside, then bring it under your ring and middle fingers, before looping it back over your index finger. Option 2. Put the yarn over your pinky, then bring it under your ring and middle fingers, and wrap it around your index finger twice. Option 3. Wrap the yarn around your pinky, from over, under, and back over. Extend it over the ring finger, under the middle, and back over the pointer finger. Option 4. Wrap the yarn over the ring finger, under the middle, and over the index finger. Option 5. Simplify things by wrapping the yarn around your index finger multiple times. This method allows you to use only your pointer finger to help grab the yarn with your hook. Option 6. For a minimalist approach, place the yarn over your index finger and under the other fingers. This method is ideal for those who prefer a more relaxed tension, allowing the yarn to flow freely through your fingers. I suggest you try all these methods by crocheting a chain to see which one is most comfortable for you. Let me know in the comments below which method worked best for you. How to make a slip knot. I will show you 4 methods to make a slip knot. Pick the one that you find the easiest and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Method 1. Place the end of the yarn over the working part and form a loop. Insert the crochet hook from behind the loop, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Method 2. Place the crochet hook behind the yarn and form a loop by twisting the hook, grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop. Method 3. Wrap the end of the yarn around your thumb. Secure the end of the yarn with your fingers. Insert the crochet hook from behind the loop, grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop. Method 4. Place the end of the yarn in front of your palm and wrap it twice around your index finger. Pinch both strands between your thumb and middle finger. Pass the first loop over the second loop. Now take the back loop and pull it all the way over your finger. Insert the crochet hook into the loop and pull tight. Okay, now it's time to learn how to make the chain stitch. The abbreviation for this stitch is CH, and the graphic symbol is an oval. This stitch is so important that it is literally the second thing you should learn in crochet after mastering the slip knot. Most crochet projects start with a foundation chain, which is simply a series of loops, or stitches, specified by your pattern. The rest of your crochet project is built upon this foundation chain. In other words, if you don't know how to chain stitch, you simply cannot make a crochet project. So, let's get started. Place the yarn on your hand and make a slip knot. Grasp the knot between the thumb and middle fingers of your non-dominant hand. To begin, keep the crochet hook facing upward. Loop the working yarn over the hook from back to front. This maneuver is called a yarn over. Rotate your crochet hook about a quarter turn counterclockwise. Pull the yarn through the slip knot and turn the hook back to its original position, facing upward. Now, you have your first chain stitch. As you crochet, move your thumb and index finger up the newly formed chain stitches, staying just a stitch or two away from the loop on the hook. This will help you maintain better control and tension as you make your stitches, not too tight, not too loose. Let's continue. Yarn over. Rotate down. Pull through the loop. Rotate up. Move up your fingers. Yarn over. Rotate down. Pull through the loop. Rotate up. Move up your fingers. It's crucial to turn the crochet hook up and down, otherwise, you might get the hook stuck in the loop. Rotate down. Pull through the loop. Rotate up. Move up your fingers. Yarn over. Rotate down. Pull through the loop. Rotate up. Move up your fingers. Repeat this sequence of movements until you have the desired number of chain stitches. Now, let's count the stitches. You'll see a series of V shapes. Each V is a single chain stitch. Important to note is that the slip knot and the loop on the crochet hook do not count as chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the back side of the chain, you will see the same number of bumps. Okay, I've made enough chain stitches, but you will continue. It's extremely important to master these movements. Don't rush, practice slowly at first, until the repetitive movements become almost a reflex, and I promise this will happen quickly. In the next tutorial, you'll learn the basic crochet stitches so you can start your first project. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a like and subscribe. Happy crocheting until next time.